In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ticker in Framer. We'll start right inside a Framer project and add a smooth, looping ticker you can style, position, and publish with confidence. First, open your project and head to the Insert menu in the top bar. If you don't see it at first, open Insert again to bring up the full library. In the Components panel, switch to the Interactive category. Here, look for the ticker component. Click to add it to your canvas, then place it where you want it to appear, typically near the top of a section or across a full width area. Resize the frame so the ticker spans the width you need and sits comfortably within your layout. If you're prompted to confirm or reopen Insert, do that and reselect Ticker to ensure it's added to the right layer. Once it's on the canvas, select the ticker so you can configure it in the right sidebar. This is where you'll adjust content, direction, speed, and spacing. Keep the speed readable, fast enough to feel dynamic, but not so fast that users can't catch the text. Next, open the Interactions panel. Add a link so that clicking the ticker can take visitors to a relevant page, like a news section or announcements. Paste the destination URL and choose whether it should open in the same tab or a new one. Now, expand Position in the sidebar. Toggle Absolute to quickly pin the ticker where you want it, then switch to Relative to let it flow with the rest of the layout. Toggling between these can help you test alignment and stacking order in different sections or breakpoints. Recheck the positioning and repeat the toggle if needed until it feels right. With the ticker still selected, refine its styling. Open your color controls and set neutral tones that maintain good contrast. If you're testing with placeholder values like 8888 or BBBBB, make sure the final colors pass accessibility contrast checks so the text remains legible against the background. Locate the scroll section that contains your ticker and select it to confirm the ticker lives inside the correct section. This helps ensure it behaves predictably as users scroll. Open the accessibility settings and review the basics so assistive technologies can identify the ticker properly. Clear labels and sufficient contrast go a long way here. If you use code overrides, open that panel to see where custom behavior could be attached. You can leave this untouched if the built-in settings cover your needs. Finally, click Publish. Wait for the build to finish, then preview your site to confirm the ticker looks great, reads smoothly, links correctly, and holds its place across viewports. That's it. Your Framer ticker is live.